Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Dauna and this is my art channel. Happy New Year! I hope you had a lovely celebration and a great time. And to start off this year with a bang, I'm giving away this blank canvas. It's 60 by 60 centimeters. And you would say, a blank canvas? Well, if you are the winner of this canvas, you can commission me anything you want. A Dutch pour, a Dutch bloom, a botanical Dutch pour, an abstract work. And the only thing you have to do is go to my website. The link is listed in the description and sign up the form. Everybody can join, no matter where you are located. And the winner will be drawn randomly at the end of January. So, if you want to win this blank canvas, go check out rinskedauna.com. And this year I'm gonna start working in subjects. So every month we'll have a certain subject and I will build my YouTube videos and my tutorials around it. And this month, January, is Pearl month. And of course, all the supplies that I use, we carry on rinskedauna.com. Here we go, first painting of 2023. Can't wait to see what this year is in store for all of us. So I'll be making a botanical Dutch pour with pearl colors, blues and greens, and I want a gradient in it. Spread this out. I did pour quite a lot of base, it's too much. So I will be spinning this so everything is leveled as well. That's so convenient that it's on my spinning table. Okay, I will torch this and then let's start pouring the colors. And normally for this type of pour, I'm drawn more to an off-center design, but this time I will do a center design. I will start with a turquoise. I think it wants to come out. Oh! Let's continue. I will take that part off. Oh! Great start of this year. Okay. Oh, I can better scrape this part. Alright, well, this should work just fine. Okay. Then I want here blue. On top of the blue, I will pour a pearl blue. On top of the green, I will pour a pearl green. And keep in mind, you can only see the true colors of the pearls when they are dry. And then, let's add some blue here again. And some of the green. Then on top of that I will use silver, so no gold. And let's blow this out. Or shall I use gold? No, I'm not gonna use gold. Okay, I will start from the center, blowing that out. Loving the blues. You do not really see the pearl colors in those, but we will probably when they are dry. All right, let's start tweaking this. You know, and the fun thing is the blowout doesn't have to be that beautiful, because the tweaking will make everything more beautiful. But I'm loving that we have parts of the blue and parts of the green. That is gorgeous. All right, let's see. Off to a great start. It's beautiful. Loving this so far. Alright, so what to do about the center there? Let's take this stick. It's nice. You want to touch up a little bit here. Oh, the center is really beautiful there now. It's not too big. I do want it a little bit bigger. It's not too big, and I do want it a little bit. Well, it's not in the center. I want it centered. Okay, I will be blowing out the petals just a little bit so it looks better. And as well, I do want this side to go more towards the edge so it has more of a balance. And I will do that just with my mouth. Okay, so I do think this painting is beautiful, and I'm really curious how as well the pearl colors will dry when it's dry. But this painting is a little bit off center, and I just needed to be a bit more to the left side. So the overall design, but how to do that? And as well, the lines here in the green and here as well in the green are not that beautiful. So I might touch it up later with a white Posca pencil, so everything is more crisp. There are almost no cells in this painting, so I do want to torch a little bit. Okay, well, that's more than enough. You know what? I'm gonna let this dry, touch up the lines, and I'll see you there.